And pink champagne, we have to say, you are really great ladies. You've all got breast cancer, you've all rode, and you are fantastic. So, you look ladies, and pink champagne. If you've got a representative, we'd like you to come and get a trophy. Because we think you are really good. Let's have the pink champagne first, shall we?
Oh, he said first.
Let's go pink champagne first. Now, these ladies, all of them, without exception, all these ladies, folks, have suffered from breast cancer. These 4 have stayed behind. These 5.
Go on, girls. 6. 7.
And has they made you feel humble? Yes, of course they have.
Yeah.
Give them a big round of applause. You are fantastic. You are absolutely fantastic. Thank you. It's a privilege to have you taking part. They've loved it. Are you coming back next year? Are you going to raise more money next year?
Well, they got it.
10 seconds past it, look out. They're up for it next year. Okay, spirit of the event. We got 2 trophies this year for spirit of the event. New look. You keep coming down, you keep boring us. You keep on, so your ladies turn up, your girlfriends, your ladies, your everything else, your wives, they turn up and they say, have you got girls that take part? And you keep making us raise more money. So to you, good luck to you. You're brilliant. Thanks for your look, girls. You got it.
Well done, girls.
You're great. You're great every year. You're brilliant. Stay there. Stay there for a photograph. Stay there because you're great. Just stay there because you really do well every year.
Well done, girls.
You're great.
We have to say, young Olympians, you were definitely close there. That was really close.
On that one.
Now we're looking at Granby Shield.
Well done, girls.
Blazing Paddlers, Granby Shield. Blazing Paddlers, you are the winners of the Granby Shield. Give it a photo. Alright, good.
Come on, Blazing Paddles! Get those hands up in the air! Push for Milton!
Oh, it'll be in the echo. Well, it'll either be in the echo or the echo.
Yeah, it should be an echo.
Although the
It
might drag you out the back, but...
I'm really glad I'm at the front. I didn't even know I was in there.
Right, now we have the winners.
Down there now.
We have to say it's the closest final ever over 11 years. It's the closest final race between the obviously the prison services. There's a bit of needle here. The young Olympians just lost out, but they scraped in once again. The Archimedes Screws. They are the winners of this year's trophy. Well done, guys. Hey, these guys have done well. They don't turn out just to win, they turn out to give money to charity. These guys and the rest of you, you've all turned up, you've given over £3,000 to charity today. It's a fantastic day. It's actually in line with the Olympic changeover day. You've done a fantastic job. Thank you to all of you. Thanks for a great